Ever wondered how to spice up your camping meals? Transforming your outdoor culinary experience is as simple as incorporating a few essential spices. First on our list is allspice. This spice, with its warm and complex notes, can enhance the flavors of your veggie soups, stews, and even applesauce or baked apples. Next, consider anise. With its subtle licorice flavor, anise can give your camp breads, pancakes, or applesauce an intriguing twist. And as a bonus, chewing a few whole anise seeds can freshen your breath. Then there's cardamom, a fragrant and citrusy spice. Adding ground cardamom to your chapati dough or other flatbreads can elevate their taste to a whole new level. If you're looking for some heat, bring along some dried hot peppers like cayenne, chili de árbol, or chiltepin. Sprinkle red pepper flakes or ground cayenne on dishes that need an extra kick. Cinnamon, a comforting and aromatic spice, can be added to pancake batter, hot beverages, and cereal. Mix it with brown sugar and sprinkle it on skillet toasted bread for a delightful topping. Clove, with its depth and warmth, can be incorporated into sauces, curries, stews, or soups. Whether ground or whole, cloves are sure to add a flavorful punch. Coriander, with its unique and citrusy flair, can be experimented with in unexpected dishes like mac and cheese, instant potatoes, and cooked fruit. Cumin, a robust spice, can enhance the flavor of beans or mac and cheese. Use both ground and whole cumin in soups and spicy sauces for a fuller taste. Fenugreek can introduce a subtle earthy sweetness to flatbreads or chicken and rice or chicken and noodle dishes. Ginger, with its vibrant taste, can be used to infuse oil. Sauté thin slices in oil and remove them before frying fresh trout or creating a stir-fry. Ginger is also known for settling upset stomachs. Nutmeg can be used to enhance cheese dishes, sauces, cooked fruits, and vegetable creations. Just pack a whole or half nutmeg seed and scrape off what you need with a knife. Pepper, whether black or white, whole or freshly ground, is a versatile spice that can complement almost any savory dish except sweets. Saffron can add an exotic flavor and vibrant color to rice, couscous, eggs, and curries. Just a pinch or two can make a world of difference. Finally, turmeric can infuse warmth and color into rice, pasta, freeze-dried egg, and chicken dishes. Like ginger, it also aids in settling abdominal upsets. By incorporating these spices into your camping meals, you won't just be eating to stay fueled. You'll be enjoying a symphony of delightful flavors, creating a memorable and satisfying outdoor dining experience.